Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing like a gardening video. This video I have been gathering clips for like a month and a half. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I want to show you guys what I got. I'll show you the supplies I have. I don't have very many things, but just the seeds. So let's get started on that. Here's all my seeds. Here's my tray. I'm gonna open this. My big popsicle sticks and a Sharpie to write all the names on it. But I want to open this up because it's falling apart. It says there's 72 different like things in here. So I have to get it wet first. Good thing I read that and then I drain it and then I add the seeds. Right? Okay. Yeah. So we'll move back to that. I got so many seeds. Peppers, flowers. So yeah, I got lettuce, basil, broccoli, cucumber, cantaloupe, 2 peppers, and some sweet peppers, and then sweet peas, zinnias, and sunflowers, and more sunflowers, and catgrass. As spring and summer come along, I'm gonna get more fruits and vegetables, but let's start with these. Of what we're working with. By the way, I just set up a little table thing outside. Sorry, the sun is really bright. I'll get back to you guys when I've drained that, put water in it, and drained it. By the way, it's such a beautiful day. I'll show you a little bit in here in a second. What a beautiful day. I'm just so excited to finally be able to do it with the seeds. So, let's do it. While the little things are soaking, let's do this. Oh snap, they're already growing, guys. I want to show you. Look at them. I bet you guys can tell. I need to empty this now. I'm just gonna drain it right here, honestly. Let this chill. Let's get back to this. Let's do this. I'm so excited. These are huge. Just realizing that, and I don't have tape, but that's fine. We'll get to that later. I don't tape right now, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. It said I had to tear the netting. I guess we're starting with broccoli. I'm just gonna grab from my sticks and pick which one. Oh, these seeds are so cool. They look like tiny little chips. What? Oh, no, yeah. I'm pretty much just like pulling it apart, and then it's the easiest way. I'll just pick up a stick, and then whatever the stick says, I'm putting it in. I've been trying to stick them all the way down in there. I forgot to do that with like the first 3 rows, but with the bigger seeds especially, that way they actually have room to grow and sprout, and you don't have to transplant them as soon as because it needs more room already. So wish thought about that sooner, but that's okay. Those were little tiny seeds anyway. All right, we got 3 left. These are mixed. And yeah, I can see the different kinds of seeds in here. I kind of want one of those white ones. I'll probably do more of these mixed ones later on because they're really pretty. I'm gonna go sprinkle them over here in the side yard. These are cool. Oh. These are weird seeds also. Look at those. There's like little leaves. So let me give you just like an overview of what we got going on here. I have my veggies over here, and then right here I got my cantaloupe, and then it goes to flowers. So yay! I need to check and read that and see if I need to water them again. He looks grumpy. There's caging because we have deer. And they love to eat my fruit and veggies. So I put them over there. I'll zoom in for you. There they are. And I will come, today is March 22nd. And I'll come back as soon as I see little sprouts coming out of it. It told me to put the dome on and just put it in some warm area. So that's what I'm doing. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed my little garden with me. Yeah, I don't know if this is the end of the video or bye. I wanted to update you guys on my little seeds. They are not, it's been a couple days. I just wanted to water them. I don't have a watering can at the moment, so I'm gonna have to get one. So let's just go see. Actually, I'll show you guys. My dad actually put most of this together and I finished it up. Like a little plant tent thing. I don't even know. They're dry because I didn't think they were doing well, but I've seen some sprouts.